Christine, pinakilig ang fans sa birthday message kay Oyo. Sweet na sweet ang birthday message ng magandang aktres na si Christine Hermosa Soto sa asawa nitong si Oyo Soto, na lubos na nagpakilig sa kanilang mga fans. Ipinagdiwang ni Oyo ang ika-41 kaarawan kahapon, January 12, 2025, kasabay ng pagdiriwang din nila ng kanilang wedding anniversary. Isang madamdaming post ang ibinahagi ni Christine sa kanyang social media account. Kalakip ang ilang larawan nila ni Oyo. Kinakiligan at pinusuan ng mga netizens at mga kaibigang celebrities ang post na ito ni Christine. Thank you, Lord, for Oyo, for his life and dedication to pursue you in all his ways. Thank you for loving me so much that you have blessed me with God-fearing husband, exactly what I need in this world. My dear Oyo, doing our day-to-day life together is a wonderful gift. Not everyone has this kind of privilege. May it be cleaning the house, you cooking our food, driving separate cars to get sticker renewal, doing the groceries, helping the kids with everything they need, encouraging each other to work out kahit parehong walang drive dahil sa mga pagsubok ng buhay. I don't recall a time not having you by my side. Kasi literal, hindi tayo naghihiwalay 24/7. And I wouldn't want it any other way. In our 14 years of marriage, I still enjoy your company. Still laugh at your unintentional and timely humor. I still get entertained with your kasungitan, lalo na pag napupuno ko yung hard drive natin dahil hindi ako nagbubura ng mga photos. And pag may hindi tama sa araw mo at sa kapaligiran, at yung mga naiisip mong out of this world, na pet name sa mga anak natin, at sa kung ano-ano pa, that usually happens pag bored ang brain mo. You have a unique vocabulary and a charming way of expressing things. I've grown to love everything about you. Buti na lang nandiyan si God. I am so blessed and always grateful to have you in my life. May God grant us with supernatural wisdom, strength, faith, patience, super healthy body, with optimal level of energy, metabolism, balanced hormones, and everything else. May He grant us with a long quality life with our children and loved ones. I love you. Happy birthday, my love. Thank you, Lord, for the 14 years and for a lifetime. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.